Equate value size honey lemon cough drops with menthol, 160 count. Product details. Say goodbye to coughs and sore throat symptoms with Equate honey lemon cough drops. These menthol drops will temporarily relieve coughing that occurs with the common cold and provides a refreshingly cool menthol sensation that instantly soothes irritated throats. Each value size bag contains 160 drops in a resealable bag, making them suitable for home or the office. Our Equate Honey Lemon Cough Drops value size bag offers affordable and quick relief for sore throats and coughs. Making the right health decisions can be challenging. With a complete range of products and simple solutions, Equate allows you to take care of your family with confidence. Equate value size honey lemon cough drops with menthol, 160 count. Honey lemon cough drops. Menthol cough suppressant. Oral anesthetic. Soothes sore throat pain. Temporarily relieves cough. Gluten-free. Value C. The package contains 160 drops per reclosable bag. Directions. Dosage. Adults and children 5 years and over, dissolve 1 lozenge slowly in mouth. Repeat every 2 hours as needed or as directed by a doctor. Children under 5 years, ask a doctor. Instructions. Tear a long strip. Separate to open. Press to reclose. Do not use if bag is torn or open. Warnings. Sore throat warning. If sore throat is severe, persists for more than 2 days, is accompanied or followed by fever, headache, rash, swelling, nausea, or vomiting, consult a doctor promptly. If sore mouth symptoms do not improve in 7 days, see your dentist or doctor promptly. These symptoms may be serious. Ask a doctor before use if you have persistent or chronic cough such as occurs with smoking, asthma, or emphysema. Cough accompanied by excessive phlegm, mucus. If pregnant or breastfeeding, ask a health professional before use. Keep out of reach of children.